Hi viewers, welcome to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல 5th standard science term 3 unit 3 air lesson ஓட part 2 தான் பார்க்க போறோம். வீடியோக்குள்ள போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எங்களோட சேனலை இதுவரைக்கும் subscribe பண்ணாதவங்க subscribe பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வாங்க இப்ப நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். Dear children, third lesson air lesson ஓட second part தான் இப்ப நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். So previous partல பாத்தீங்கன்னா atmosphere, layers of atmosphere and importance of air நம்ம பார்த்தோம். அந்த வீடியோட லிங்க் வந்து description boxல போடுறேன், அதை பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ அதோட கண்டினியூஷன் இப்போ செகண்ட் பார்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ நம்ம ஏர் பொல்யூஷனை பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் ஏர் பொல்யூஷன்? ஏர் எப்படி வந்து பொல்யூட் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, now the presence of harmful substances in the air which can have an adverse effect on living beings and environment is called air pollution. So harmful substances, some harmful substances are present in air. So and the harmful substances when it becomes against to the living beings or the environment, this is called as air pollution. Okay, the adverse effect on it. When harmful substances like gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. and particles like dust and aerosols are released into the Earth's atmosphere, air pollution occurs. So when these gases, when it release into the Earth's atmosphere, so Earth's atmosphere oda இந்த gases வந்து mix ஆகும்போது the air pollution occurs. Okay. These substances are released into the atmosphere at a rate which exceeds the natural capacity of the environment to absorb them. So, இந்த gases, harmful gases ஓட limit வந்து excess இருக்கும்போது அந்த environmental adapt ஆக முடியாது. Okay, they cannot able to observe. So, அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறதான் நம்ம வந்து air pollution சொல்றோம். So, air pollution may causes diseases, allergies and even death to humans. So air pollution அதிகமாக ஆக நம்மளுக்கு air pollutionக்கான diseases வரும், allergies வரும், even it will lead to death also. Okay, so if it exceeds these gases, when it exceeds its limit, so it cannot be survived. So air become pollution at that time and even it leads to death. It may also cause harm to other living organisms such as plants and animals, and it may damage the natural environment. So this is what air pollution. Now causes of air pollution. So what are the reasons? What are the causes for air pollution? It is caused both by natural and also man-made. So natural and man-made activities it causes. Okay. Air pollutants are released into the atmosphere through human activities like burning of fuels, releasing industrial waste, mining, etc. So how does it get polluted? By burning of fuels, releasing industrial waste and minings. Natural events like volcanic eruption also cause air pollution. Now let us see this causes of air pollution in detail. So see, first reason they are saying about industries. Many industries have been established to manufacture things. Large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons and organic compounds and chemicals are released into the air by these industries. So because of this pollutants, quality of air is affected very much. So industries வரக்கூடிய carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, organic compounds and chemicals இதெல்லாமே அட்மாஸ்பியர்ல போய் சேரும்போது, ஸோ ஏரோட மிக்ஸ் ஆகும்போது when it mingles with air, so when the quality of air gets affected. So here these are the pollutants. Okay, these gases are pollutants and the quality of air gets affected. The next cause is burning of fuels. Combustion of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum release sulfur dioxide, which is an air pollutant. Major air pollutants are released by the vehicles including bus, car, trains and airplanes. Improper and incomplete combustion of fuel release carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, which are released by both natural and man-made process, are causes for air pollution. So burning fuel. So when the fuels are burning, so what are they? Coal and petroleum. Okay, this burn ஆகும்போது the sulfur dioxide, it causes air pollution. And even when the vehicles like bus, car, train and aeroplanes, because of these outlets, so fuel is burning in these vehicles, isn't it? So this also causes air pollution. And even nitrogen oxide, which is released by both natural and man-made. So natural and man-made nitrogen oxide release ஆகும்போது it causes air pollution. Next is agriculture activities. Use of insecticide, pesticides and fertilizers in agriculture activities has increased in modern days. They emit harmful chemicals such as ammonia into the air, causes air pollution. So agriculture activities they are using the insecticides, pesticides, no? So and the fertilizers use பண்ணும்போது, so there will be ammonia will be present in these chemicals. So the chemical it will mix in, it will cause air pollution. Okay. Next is mining. Extraction of minerals from the earth is called mining. So அதாவது நம்ம earthல இருந்து எடுக்கக்கூடியது தான் நம்ம mining சொல்லுவோம். Mining processes release and dust and chemicals into the air, causes massive air pollution. So அந்த miningல இருந்து நம்ம எடுக்கக்கூடிய release ஆகிற dust chemicals also it will cause air pollution. This affect the health condition of workers and people living in the surrounding area. So அந்த mining இருக்கிற people எல்லாருமே இந்த air pollution ஆல affect ஆவாங்க. Household activities. Air is polluted through household activities. While cleaning and painting, those chemicals also pollute the environment. Okay. Then effects of air pollution. So air affects all the organisms. Okay. It causes a serious problem, health problem to the human beings and also affect both plants and animals. So all living organism air pollution, it affects all the living beings. Okay. All the living organisms. It brings a lot of changes in climate and environment also. So now let us see about the effects of air pollution. First one is, what is about diseases? So what are the diseases? Air pollution causes several respiratory and heart problems. So respiratory problems and heart problems it will cause, and many people have died due to air pollution. Air pollutants cause pneumonia and asthma in children. So because of our air pollution, the pneumonia and asthma, it will affect the children also. So these are the diseases. Global warming. Air pollution results in accumulation of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. When gases like carbon dioxide are present in the atmosphere in large amount, they increase the atmospheric temperature. So, during air pollution, the carbon dioxide, it has a huge volume in atmosphere. So when in atmosphere carbon dioxide contents ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும்போது what happen, it will change the temperature. Okay, atmospheric change, carbon dioxide will change the atmospheric temperature. With increased temperatures and melting of ice and icebergs in polar regions and increase in sea level are taking place, it affects the living organism living there. Okay. When the temperature increases, the cold regions, okay, it will the polar regions, all these places, the icebergs, it will start to melt. So in high temperature ஆகும்போது cold regionsல இருக்கிற ice எல்லாமே melt ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சதுன்னா the sea level will increases. So this will affect the living organisms in those regions. Now next is about acid rain. So as we saw earlier, harmful gases like nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide are released into the atmosphere while burning fuels, fossil fuels. When it rains, the water droplet combine with these gases and fall on the ground in the form of acid rain. Acid rain affects human, animals and crops. So these harmful gases, nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide, when it is releases through burning fuel. So அது release ஆகும்போது where does it goes? It will forms in the water droplet in the clouds, isn't it? So when it combines with these gases, so water droplets with these gases both combine and it fall as an acid rain. So this will affect the humans and animals and also the crops. Next, depletion of ozone layer. Ozone molecules are present in the Earth's stratosphere and they are responsible for protecting humans from harmful ultraviolet rays. So we saw before, isn't it, about the layer. So this ozone layer is present in the stratosphere. So just about to the troposphere. Okay. So stratosphere la da ozone layer irukku. So here it will protect the ultraviolet rays, isn't it? The chlorofluorocarbons released into atmosphere by human activities depleting the ozone layer. As the ozone layer is depleted, UV rays reach the earth and they cause skin and eye related problems. Chlorofluorocarbons it released into the atmosphere. So when it is released, so the ozone layer it gets depleted. So UV rays it will be affected. So ultraviolet rays will be affected when it is excess release of this chlorofluorocarbon. So automatically the UV rays when it reaches the earth, it will cause skin and eye related problem to us. Okay. Next is marine life. Large amount of nitrogen present in some fertilizers is washed into the water bodies. These cause the growth of green algae in the seas. This is called eutrophication. This adversely affects fish, plants and animal species. So as we learned before, the fertilizers when it is washed into, so for agriculture use பண்ண fertilizers வந்து when it is washed into the water bodies, it will affect the marine life also. Okay, this will affect the fish, plants and animal species. Now effect on wildlife. Harmful substances present in the air affect the wild animals. Wild animals move to new place when the air is polluted. When their habitat is changed, they face extinction. So harmful gases when the air is pollution. So wild animals இருக்கக்கூடிய இடத்துல when it is air is get polluted, so automatically the wild animals they will move to some other place. They will in search of some other habitat. So அங்கிருந்து வேற பக்கம் போகும்போது they should adapt for that habitat, isn't it? If not, they will face the extinction. அதாவது அந்த இனமே இல்லாத அளவுக்கு அழியக்கூடியதா ஆயிரும். Okay. The next topic is prevention of air pollution. So effects of air pollution we had learned. Now what are the prevention? So how to prevent air pollution we have to see now. If the air pollution increases as this rate, then there will be no life on the earth. So air pollution இந்த அளவுக்கு increase ஆனா நம்மளால இந்த earthல இருக்க முடியாது. Okay, future generation will be affected very badly. So we need to take some measures to avoid air pollution. So let us see the first one. Major pollutants which cause air pollution comes from automobiles. So first reason what they are citing, it is from the gases releasing from the smoke releases from automobiles. So using public modes of transport can be reduced the rate of pollution. We also should encourage others to use the public transport. So we have to reduce the modes of transport. So when we use the public transport, so all the air pollution can be controlled. By reducing the usage of fossil fuel for burning, we can save the environment. Using non-renewable energy resources like solar energy, wind energy instead of conventional energy can be reduced air pollution. So non-renewable resources வச்சு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். For example like solar energy, wind energy வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ணனா we can reduce the air pollution. We need to reduce our usage and we can reuse and recycle few items. So இந்த activities எல்லாம் பண்ணோம்னா நம்மனால air pollution control பண்ண முடியும். Switch off fans and lights when you are not using them. CFL bulbs consume less electricity. By using these bulbs we can save energy. Planting more trees can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So if we plant more trees, the carbon dioxide will be reduce. Okay, the trees need the carbon dioxide, so the content of carbon dioxide present in atmosphere will be absorbed by the plants. So this is another important prevention, that is planting more trees. The next topic, airborne diseases, let us we see in the next part, children. Go through this video again. So உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தால் கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்க. கண்டிப்பாக எங்களோட வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எங்களோட சேனலை இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் our வீடியோ. தேங்க்யூ. ஹாவ் a nice day.